So my senior manager messaged me asking me on Slack when will our new feature will be delivered, and looking at the team, I know how consistent my team is and how fast they build a new feature. And for forecasting, I use something called Monte Carlo, as you can see on my screen. This chart is called a Monte Carlo simulation, and what it does is it kind of tells you, based on your team's historical sprint data, it tells you when will a certain feature be delivered. So it helps with forecasting the features and functionalities for senior management, so at least we can give them some sort of a guesstimate when certain features will be delivered. So yeah, so I wanted to talk about this particular simulation. Is called Monte Carlo, and if it works to you can you can use this tool two ways. You can either find out how many items you have in your backlog, and then it tells you when it will be done by. The other method is you just input the date. So if the particular feature development starts today, and let's say it will end in 2 months, and then it will tell you what are the chances. It uses a percentile, so it tells you what are the chances, 85th percentile chances, or 95th percentile chances of the teams completing the feature. So yeah, looking at this chart, right, our team had 40 tasks in Jira to complete because the spike work is already done. So based on that, right, so if you input the data into this simulator, it will tell you 40 tasks. I think if you look here, this one has 32. We have 32 items in the basket, so those 32 items will be done I think based on this, it's well, a couple of months time. So yeah, this chart is super helpful. It gives you scientific data to speak with your team, senior management, that when certain features or functionalities will be delivered. And I would highly encourage everyone to use this tool. And you can find this tool in this chart in a tool called Actionable Agile. So it kind of gives you Monte Carlo simulator to tell you, how to forecast your future work of sprints.